Pressure washing Ashford. If you need your driveway or patio cleaning in Ashford, then you have come to the right place. Purple Rhino Pressure Washing Services have been cleaning driveways and patios for more than 30 years. Let us give you a free quotation for driveway or patio cleaning in Ashford. Jet washing driveways is our speciality and we know what works best. We have a special offer this month. We will clean out your gutters for free. Call the Ashford Driveway Cleaning Hotline on 0800 157 7484 or visit our website purple-rhino.co.uk to learn more.